In this CARS tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to respond to a WisDOT evaluation. I'm logged into CARS as Mario processing on behalf of Betamax, and I have an evaluation that needs to be done. I've received this evaluation from WisDOT for this project ID, and I need to review it and send it back to WisDOT. So I need to first give myself permission to respond to this evaluation. So I'll go to Security, Security List, and then I go ahead and I find my name, and I need to add myself a role for that particular project. And I go to Prime Contracts and I'll assign contract roles. I do want to note that I can also use groups to give myself this role, but in this instance I'm just going to do it for this one, so I'm not going to be using a group. I need to find that project, so here it is. And I'll click the plus to add it, and the roles that I need are Evaluation Reviewer, because I need to view the evaluation and review it, as well as view the contract, because I still need to get into the contract to view the evaluation. So I'll click Save. And now I'm back to the security list area where we can see this is the contract that we selected, and we've got these roles. So now we can go back to the dashboard to go ahead and start that evaluation. There are two ways that you can get to an evaluation that WisDOT has sent to you. One spot is to go in this evaluations area and click on this link here, and we can go ahead and view the evaluation. The other spot would be to type the project ID in here and then go to view evaluations. I'll demonstrate this quickly. It'll show you where to find that evaluation. And I click search. And I have this button at the top that says View Evaluation. And you can see I could click on it here. But in this instance, I do want to get to it from the dashboard, because the dashboard is my area where I've got things to do. So I'm going to click back to Home to get back to that dashboard. Back at the dashboard, I go down to Evaluations. And this is an area where I've got things to do. You can see the processing status is ready for review. In the future, an email will be sent out to you letting you know that you have an evaluation that is ready for review. But at this time, we are hopeful that DOT project managers will be emailing you that you have an evaluation that is ready for you to review. So I'll click on this one link, and that will get me to the evaluation. See, I've got this basic information at the top, the evaluation information, the date that it was processed as ready for review, the percent of the work complete, and all this other information like the evaluation period dates, as well as this status history. So I go down and I see that I got an overall evaluation rating of 4.04. Here's my name as the reviewer consultant, and here is the WisDOT evaluator. Most of the time this is going to be the project manager. And I've got these general comments. So the comment from WisDOT, overall comment here, and we've got this other, let's say, basic information about the evaluation. I go down, I can see my rating in project management, as well as the answers to this question and answer area. And then we've got this overall evaluator comment on this project management. And then we can go down, we see the human relations, technical skills. We've got these comments mixed in here. Quality of work, timeliness, and the comment. So right now I've had a chance to review all of those comments, and I can go ahead and edit it and put in my own comments and send back to WisDOT. So I'll click Edit up here. And now we can see that I can now write in here. So I see reviewer consultant, so this is my name for now, but if it was someone else filling it out, I could put their name in there. So I've got the overall reviewer comments. I can say it was a pleasure working with Sharon on this project. You see I've got 4,000 characters that I can have for a comment here, so I do have the ability to write back quite a bit of information. And I can make comments on the categories and ratings. So the project management, I can put in comments here, as well as I can put in comments here as well, here, here, and here. So I can put in comments in these boxes. And right now I've made all of my comments. What I need to do is change the status to consultant reviewed. When I click consultant reviewed and then save, this evaluation is out of my hands and goes back to WisDOT. And then the WisDOT project manager has a chance to review the comments that I have made, and they can either submit the evaluation into CARS or they can reject it.